Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on all websites in Brave browser. This is a fantastic feature that automatically converts any website into dark mode, making it much easier on your eyes during late night browsing sessions. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser and in the address bar at the top, type brave://flags. This will take you to Brave's experimental features page where you can access advanced settings and customization options that aren't available in the regular settings menu. These are powerful features that give you more control over your browsing experience. Once the flags page loads, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on it, then type dark into the search field. This will filter all the available flags and show you only the options related to dark mode functionality, making it much easier to find exactly what you need without scrolling through hundreds of different settings. Now look for the option labeled Auto Dark Mode for web contents. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu that's currently set to default. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal the available options. From the list that appears, select Enabled. This setting tells Brave to automatically apply a dark theme to every website you visit, even if the site doesn't have its own built-in dark mode. It's particularly useful for reading articles, browsing social media, or working late at night when you want to reduce eye strain and blue light exposure. After you've enabled the Auto Dark Mode feature, you'll need to restart your browser for the changes to take effect. In the bottom right corner of the page, you'll see a relaunch button that has appeared. Click on this button to restart Brave. The browser will close briefly and reopen automatically with all your tabs restored. But now with the dark mode feature fully activated across all websites. And that's it! You've successfully enabled dark mode for all websites in Brave browser. From now on, any website you visit will automatically be converted to a dark theme, creating a more comfortable browsing experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.